POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from a company called Healbe. And we've actually interviewed them in the past at one of the events talking about this very interesting fitness band. And what really makes it unique is the fact that it's more than just something that tracks your steps and all that. This can actually count your calories. And it isn't something, that requires a lot of user interaction, because a lot of these fitness bands that claim to count calories, you have to interact with their app and say, hey, I just ate a taco, I just ate nachos, I just ate a hamburger, and then it assumes based on an average amount of calories per that type of food, how many calories you took in, and then compares that to your fitness, your workouts and everything else to determine how much potential weight you're losing or, not losing. But what's really cool about this one is supposedly you don't have to do that. This band can actually monitor, just by sitting on your wrist, the calories that your body is absorbing, and uses that data to determine all of those numbers mixed with all the fitness that you do. So it's kind of cool, and it's called the GoBe2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at it, see what it looks like, what it comes with, and you'll go to the website at plcnetwork.net once we've had the review posted to let you know what we think about it. So the first thing you see when you open up this box is just a little, hey, stop, read all of these disclaimers first. This just tells you make sure your device is powered on when you wear it, obviously, because if it's not powered on, it's not going to do anything. They want you to install their app. They want you to make sure it's charged, any kind of returns or refunds, customer service information and whatnot. And it looks like you can track protein, carbs, fiber, fats, all sorts of stuff, calories intake, fasting and delayed readings, all sorts of interesting things here, and all coming from the app. So it's all just talking about, the app and everything else. And it has a really good presentation to it. I mean, if you see this in a shelf at Best Buy or any other retail store, you're gonna say, hey, that looks kind of fancy. What's inside this box? It's definitely gonna attract you to it. And it's a little bit bigger than your average fitness watch. It definitely is going to be a little bit more noticeable on your wrist. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna be too big of a deal though, because it still looks really nice. You have unique features: automatic calorie intake tracking, monitor your emotional state in real time. Just in case, you feel stressed out, it'll let you know. It might even recommend when it detects you being stressed out to, take a chill pill. And then you have automatic water balance measurement. Has many other things: sleep tracking or sleep quality, heart rate monitors, steps and distance, burn calories, everything else I've just said. So, I mean, it's a pretty decent list of things. And it has galvanic skin response sensor, independent sensor, temperature sensor, 9-axis accelerometer, a piezo sensor, excuse me, gyroscope, and magnetometer, thank you, magnetometer. They're laughing at me. So let's see what the inside looks like. You have some documentation here. You have a little foldout here that just says what's in the box, proper fitting adjustment, how to charge it, and obviously go get the app. You have another one here that's the same thing, but in looks like Chinese maybe. And then another one in another language, looks like Russian. Another one, this one just talks about general instructions, how to clean it and whatnot. And then you have a charger, which looks to be micro USB, and then the cable is conveniently hidden underneath there, which is a nice little purple cable, giving it some character. And of course, you got your micro USB, so that connects into the back of the charging base, and then this goes to a wall charger, which it looks like it does not come with a wall charger, so you're going to want to use your own USB wall charger. Take one from a tablet or a smartphone or whatnot, or buy one. And but it looks like the watch just sits right on this, and it charges it. And with a little effort, this thing pops right out, and you have your watch. And the watch seems to have a pretty comfortable, actually, feel to it. You have a silicone band here that just feels like your normal silicone band, but a little bit thicker, maybe a little bit more durable than some others. And you have their little logo here, and it's just a snap-based adjustable band to get it to your size. The sensor on the bottom is golden color, and just has their name, or at least the name of the product, the GoBe2. And it says waterproof, so it's going to have some water resistance to it as well, which is really important. Waterproof, though, that's beyond water resistance. That's actually assuming you might be able to jump in the water with this as well, which is definitely a thumbs up, especially being that it's a fitness band, you know, so why wouldn't you want to use it for water sports as well? You have a single button on the side here that brings up a little display that's hidden into this really nice patterned face here. And it just has it, like right now you hit it, it says 79%, shows the current charge. But you have a blue LED display hidden behind this neat little pattern here they have on the top. And that's it. This is the GoBe2 fitness tracker from Healbe. And we've been waiting to see this for quite a long time since we did interview them. It was at CES, I believe, last year. I think last year at CES, and it was a fantastic discussion we had with them. It sounded like a really promising device, so it's really neat that we have it sitting in front of us right now so we can actually give it that test. So remember to go to the website at POCnetwork.net. Once we have the review posted, you'll be able to read all about this and see what we think about it, what we like, what we don't like, hopefully more about what we like. So again, POCnetwork.net. If you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe. There's that subscription button down there as well as a comment section so you can communicate with us and each other and so forth. And don't forget to check out the website as well, and go check us out on Twitter and Facebook. We have a contest running right now, which I think is only like a day or two left to win a Kindle Fire HD 8 device. Tablet. Could be yours for free with a case as well. So go check it out. You'll find us on Twitter, find the post for it, go enter the contest. Good luck. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.